A guide to your earnings. A guide to e-commerce success. Welcome to a transformative journey in the digital marketplace. In this video, we present Elevate Your Earnings, a guide to e-commerce success. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, we've curated a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the dynamic world of e-commerce. Join us as we uncover the strategies, tips, and tools that will elevate your earnings and lead you to triumph in the online business arena. Keywords: e-commerce success, digital marketplace, entrepreneurship, online business, strategies for success. Hello, fellow entrepreneurs and future business moguls. Welcome back to your channel, the go-to hub for all things business and success. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both exciting and lucrative. Elevate your earnings, a guide to e-commerce success. If you're ready to take your online business to new heights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest tips. Now, let's get started. In a digital age where opportunities abound, mastering the art of e-commerce is your pathway to success. Today, we'll guide you through the intricacies of building and growing a thriving online business. Keyword number 1, e-commerce success. It's not just about selling products. It's about creating a seamless and rewarding experience for your customers. Join us as we explore the principles that set successful e-commerce ventures apart. Navigating the digital marketplace. Our second keyword requires a keen understanding of online consumer behavior. We'll share insights into market trends and help you position your business effectively in the vast digital landscape. Entrepreneurship, our third keyword, is at the core of e-commerce success. Whether you're starting from scratch or expanding your business, the entrepreneurial mindset is key. Discover the traits that define successful e-commerce entrepreneurs. Online business, our fourth keyword, encompasses a wide range of strategies. From setting up your online store to effective marketing techniques, we've got expert advice to guide you through the various facets of running a successful online business. Entering the e-commerce world can be exciting, but also overwhelming for beginners. Here are some pro tips and tricks to help you navigate the early stages and conquer the competition. Research. Identify a gap in the market by analyzing existing businesses, understanding consumer trends, and pinpointing underserved niches. Don't try to compete with established giants in saturated markets. Choose a niche you're genuinely excited about. Your passion will translate into authentic content, better product selection, and more dedicated customer service. Begin with a focused product range and gradually expand based on customer demand and your capacity. Building your e-commerce store. Invest in a clean, intuitive website that's easy to navigate and optimized for mobile devices. Prioritize product visibility and seamless checkout processes. Use clear, professional photos and detailed descriptions that highlight product features and benefits. Remember, online shoppers rely heavily on visuals and information to make purchase decisions. Secure payment gateway. Choose a reliable and secure payment system that integrates seamlessly with your website. Building trust with secure transactions is crucial. Social media is your friend. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to showcase your products, engage with potential customers, and build brand awareness. Run targeted ads. Partner with influencers. SEO optimizations. Implement relevant keywords throughout your website and content to improve your search engine ranking, making it easier for customers to find you. Build an email list and send targeted campaigns with promotions, new product announcements, and valuable content. Offer incentives for subscriptions and personalize your messaging for better engagement. Prioritize fast and responsive communication. Address customer inquiries promptly and professionally across all channels. Consider chatbots for immediate support and phone lines for complex issues. Offer flexible return and exchange policies. Build trust by allowing customers to easily return or exchange products if they're not satisfied. Clear and transparent policies are key. Go beyond generic responses. Remember customer names, preferences, and purchase history to personalize recommendations and interactions. Pro tips for success. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving. Be willing to adapt your strategies, test new ideas, and learn from your mistakes. Track your website traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior to understand what's working and what's not. Use data to optimize your operations and marketing efforts. Invest in quality over quantic. Prioritize high-quality products, packaging, and customer service over cutting corners for short-term gains. Building a loyal customer base is key to long-term success. Remember, success in e-commerce takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. By following these tips and adapting them to your specific niche and target audience, you'll be well on your way to conquering the e-commerce world. And there you have it, Elevate Your Earnings, a guide to e-commerce success. If you found these insights valuable, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, may your online ventures be prosperous.